The Bible says that Adam and Eve were both created here on earth 6,000 years ago. The Quran does not say when Adam and Eve were created, however it says that they were created in paradise, not on earth. This is the same paradise that believers will go to in the afterlife. When Adam and Eve disobeyed God, He expelled them from paradise down to earth to succeed Homo sapiens. Modern humans are classified as Homo sapiens sapiens, the word sapiens, twice. Quran. And your Lord said to the angels, I will make a successor on earth. They said, How can you make a successor, someone who corrupts and sheds blood while we praise and sanctify you? He said, I know what you don't know. Adam and Eve were not the first to live on earth. Those Homo sapiens were already living on earth, however they didn't worship God. So God chose Adam and Eve from paradise to become their successors on earth. 1,400 years ago the Quran said that God is able to recreate humans from their own semen in forms that they are unable to envisage. Quran. Do you see your own semen? Do you create it or do we create it? We decreed the death among you and nobody beat us to alter your form and raise you in forms that you do not perceive. And you have figured out your first form if only you would remember. Change of form is evolution. Change of form from our own semen is evolution indeed. Since God is saying that nobody beat Him to evolving man from his own semen, this means that evolution is God-made, not non-existing as some Muslims claim. There is nothing in the Quran that tells us whether Adam and Eve look like us or look like Homo sapiens. The Quran also says that if God wishes He can make our descendants non-human just like our ancestors. Quran. Your Lord, the rich and merciful, if He wishes, can discard you and succeed you with whatever He wishes, just like He created you from the seed of another clan. This verse says that if God wishes He can make our descendants non-human just like our ancestors. In conclusion, God created Adam and Eve in paradise from clay, however He brought them down to earth to succeed those who didn't worship Him, Homo sapiens. Moreover, the Quran confirms that all life started in water, then animals crawled out of the water onto land. All evolution theories suggest that during the transitional period those evolved animals crawled on their bellies before walking on 4 legs. Land animals only walked on 2 legs at a much later stage. This was known recently. However, this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. Quran. Allah created every living creature from water. Some of them crawl on their bellies, and some walk on 2 legs, and others walk on 4. Allah creates whatever He wills. Allah is capable of everything. The Quran says that every living creature came from water. Some crawl on their bellies and some on 2 legs and some on 4. Some skeptics claim that the order in the Quran is wrong. While all creatures came from water and then crawled on their bellies is correct, all evolution theories suggest that evolved animals walked on 4 legs long before they walked on 2. Since all evolution theories suggest that animals walked on 4 before walking on 2, then skeptics claim that the order in the Quran is wrong. However, recent discoveries suggest that the order in the Quran is actually correct. Scientists found ancient fish that walked on 2 legs, long before land animals walked on 4. The closest known relative of the ancestors of limbed animals such as humans likely evolved the foundation for rear legs even before the move to land, researchers say. This ancestor may have even been able to walk underwater, they added. These findings reveal that a key step in the evolution of hind limbs happened in fish, challenging previous theories that such appendages evolved only after the move to land. This means that ancient fish walked on 2 legs long before land animals walked on 4. So the Quran portrays the correct order. Every living creature came from water, some crawl on their bellies and some on 2 legs and some on 4. This turned out to be the correct order of evolution. No mistakes in the Quran.